What if I told you the next world war won't be fought with missiles, tanks, or nukes, but with algorithms? Welcome to the secret AI war, a silent global arms race where the superpowers of the world are battling, not for land, not for oil, but for control of the future. And whether you realize it or not, you're already part of it. Because every click you make, every search you do, every video you watch, it's feeding the most powerful weapon mankind has ever created: artificial intelligence. But here's the twist. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. China, the United States, Russia, India, all locked in a shadow war for AI supremacy. And the winner? They won't just dominate economies or militaries. They'll control reality itself. So how did we get here? Started quietly, not in a battlefield, but in data centers. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT, it wasn't just a viral tech moment. It was a global wake-up call. Suddenly, governments realized whoever controls the most advanced AI controls the future of intelligence, influence, and even truth itself. America had the early lead, with Silicon Valley giants pouring billions into machine learning, quantum chips, and neural networks. But China wasn't going to sit back. In 2017, Beijing announced a bold plan. By 2030, China would lead the world in AI. Billions were poured into surveillance, face recognition, drone swarms, and military AI integration. While American companies talked about ethics, China talked about domination, and it worked. By 2025, over 60% of global facial recognition systems had Chinese code inside them. Africa, Asia, South America, all connected through Beijing's digital Silk Road, a hidden empire built not with soldiers, but with sensors. But here's where things get even darker. AI is no longer just about technology, it's about control. Governments realized that the side that wins this war won't just have smarter machines, they'll have smarter citizens. Imagine this. You wake up one day and every news feed, every trending topic, every recommended video you see isn't random. It's part of a digital strategy designed by someone's AI somewhere in the world. And that's already happening. In 2024, leaked documents from several intelligence agencies revealed what experts now call cognitive warfare. Instead of hacking networks, eyes are now hacking minds, shaping what you think, what you fear, what you buy, what you believe. But while America and China play this digital chess game, a third player has quietly entered the arena: India. While the world watched Silicon Valley and Beijing, India began building something different. Not a war machine, but a democracy engine. Under its India AI and Digital Bharat initiatives, India focused on combining human capital with AI infrastructure, a model the West couldn't replicate. Over 1.3 billion people, creating one of the largest data ecosystems in the world, but one built on openness, transparency, and collaboration. It was no longer about surveillance, it was about empowerment. And suddenly, the balance began to shift. Because in the AI war, data is ammunition. And India has more of it than almost anyone else. Every startup, every fintech app, every digital ID, every citizen generating data, training the algorithms of tomorrow. While China's data is controlled, India's data is democratic. That means faster innovation, more diversity in AI models, and greater resilience against authoritarian misuse. But don't think the other powers are staying quiet. Russia, too, is in the game, but in its own style. Moscow's focus: AI in warfare and disinformation. Autonomous drones, deepfake propaganda, AI-driven cyber attacks. For Russia, AI isn't just a tool, it's a weapon of chaos. In 2025, Western analysts found Russian-backed AI networks influencing everything from elections to global markets, creating confusion at scale. A single AI deepfake could move stock prices. Another could trigger political unrest. In this new world, truth is negotiable, and whoever programs reality first wins. But there's an even bigger threat, one no one can control. Because as AI grows smarter, faster, and more independent, it's beginning to write its own playbook. Some experts warn that we're heading toward AI nationalism, where countries build isolated AI systems trained on their own values, laws, and cultures. That means soon, there won't be one internet. There'll be an American AI, a Chinese AI, an Indian AI, maybe even a Russian AI, each interpreting truth in a completely different way. That's the real danger. The AI war won't just divide nations, it'll divide realities. And that's why this battle isn't just about who has the best algorithms. It's about who defines what real. Think about that. When an American AI decides what freedom means, when a Chinese AI defines what loyalty means, when an Indian AI decides what justice means. We're not just training machines, we're training the future of civilization. So, where does this all lead? The US is pouring billions into defense-focused AI through DARPA and the Pentagon's Project Maven. China's military AIs are learning to outthink humans in battlefield simulations. India's space agency, ISRO, is now using AI to power its next-gen satellites and defense surveillance. And the European Union, trying desperately to set global AI ethics before it's too late. But the truth is, there are no rules in this war, just winners and lagging algorithms. And right now, the world is on a countdown. A race to the singularity where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. The question isn't if that moment comes, it's who gets there first. Because whoever does won't just rule technology, they'll rule the world. So, while the world scrolls through short videos and memes, somewhere deep inside secret labs in Washington, Beijing, Moscow, and New Delhi, machines are learning how to think like us, and outsmart us. This isn't just the future. This is the battlefield, the secret AI war, and it's already begun.